Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a game that's going to help you make some of the toughest financial decisions in your life. Remember, when it comes to money, knowledge is power. And we're here to help you make smarter choices. Let's start with a simple question. Would you rather receive $2 per day for the rest of your life or get paid $1 million right now? Take a moment to think about it before you answer. Now, let's move on to the next question. Would you rather have $100 right now or a penny doubled every day for 30 days? Sounds pretty easy, right? Let's calculate it together. On day 2, you'd have 2 cents. On day 4, it's 4 cents. By day 15, you'd have over $8. And by day 30, you'd have over $8 million. So here's the catch. If someone offered you $8 million right now, would you take it or keep going with our little game? Remember, nothing in life is guaranteed. That $8 million could save your life if something unexpected happens. These questions might seem far-fetched, but they can help you make crucial decisions about your finances. For example, if you were to win the Powerball jackpot this week and had to choose between those 2 options we discussed earlier, which one would you pick? Comment below and let us know. Thanks for playing along with us today. If these games and conversations helped you think differently about your money, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this. Until next time, take care of your finances and stay smart with money.